Hey guys, this is Reddy from Wealthy Options. Welcome to 40th episode of Zero DTE Pulse. So one important announcement, before I make a start on today's session. So this month, 26th October, I'm conducting a online, workshop on advanced algo trading. So where I'll be teaching, many of the Zero DTE and 1 DTE strategies. That I'm personally trading, with my own capital. So for more details, check the description of this video and you will get to know, complete details. Now coming back to the today's expiry. So today it was a Sensex expiry. So I must say that after a long time today expiry was kind of easy peasy expiry, no hiccups, and it's a clean trending day. So not much troubles, such an expiry. So in terms of open, Sensex opened with a gap up of 300 points. It's very well sustained that gap up. Not only that, it went from there it went for another 700 points rally. And in terms of premium, so premium decay was also sort of linear. So though the decay was very aggressive after 2 o'clock and all, but even in the morning also there was no trouble. In fact, the MTM was in the profit. The PNL was in the profit throughout the day, though there are certain places like when Sensex broke the day high, so that is when most of the call options they spiked up, and that is when there was a kind of a dip in the PNL almost by 30-40%, but then the algos with the directional bias, they catch the entire direction, and I closed the day with the profit of almost like I think 0.64%. So what worked today? So today mainly the directional and also the semi-directional strategies worked, and they made the money. And so the strategies went for purely a theta decay. They made little bit money, but not big money. And the mean reversion strategies, they struggled. And IV shorting even they did not trigger, because there was no significant IV spike today. So in terms of overall profit, so as I mentioned, it's a 2.8 lakhs from these three accounts. And so that works out like a 1.64% on my account side, and with that the month is in the profit of 1.31%. So in terms of so PNL, so this is how the PNL was. So as you could see, it's a linear. So there was a around after 12 o'clock, when the Sensex broke the day high, so there was a dip, but that was kind of again recovered. And in the end, especially after 2 o'clock, when the decay became aggressive, so the profit accelerated. That's all for the day. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and share it with your circles, and I'll see you in my next episode. Until then, take care. Bye.